Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the side panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So as you can see here, I have a side panel, so when I slide from the side of the screen inwards, then I have my favorite apps here and I can use it whether I'm in another app or whether I'm on home screen, anywhere else. I can just slide it and open any of those apps. You can put your favorite apps here, or your contacts, or your weather information, anything that you need. And by default this bar is white, and I'm gonna show you how to customize it. So let's go to the display settings. In settings app, then go to not the easy mode, edge panels, and now if that is on, then you can go to the panels. You can select whether you want to have apps, people, tasks, weather, tools, clipboard, or reminders here. So I'm gonna leave it on apps. You can also click on edit below it to select which apps you want to have on this side panel. You can also click on three dots here to enable or disable the Galaxy AI features like the AI select, no brief, or anything else. I like to have that disabled, honestly. And now you can just select the apps that you want to have here. So let's maybe add like the phone app. Then you can also add like Spotify or something else. So I think there's no limit to what you can add. So let's add just the important ones, calculator and calendar maybe. Okay, now we have it. So as you can see that when I slide, it opens this bar with these apps, my favorite ones that I use quite often. But instead you can set it to different things like the weather, and you can also customize the handle, so the position left or right-handed. I'm gonna leave it on right-handed. Then you can also lock the handle position, because if it is unlocked, then you can just change it. But in the handle addition mode you can also change it, so even if it's locked, then you can still change it in this setting here. So then we can select the color, transparency, as well as the size. As you can see here, it gets elongated, shortened. I like it longer. And then you can set it to set the width to thin, medium, or thick. So I leave it on thin. I don't really like that visible, but if you need, you can increase the width just like that. I'm gonna decrease the transparency a bit, and now it just works like that. So let's also go to the edge panels and unlock the handle position. So let me show you. You can see that I can change the handle position like by sliding it. You can see when I press and hold, then I can slide it up or down, and when it's locked I cannot. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.